v. Benge. Mr. Benge was the foreman of a group of workers who were repairing and replacing railway tracks. The defendant misread the train timetable and got the wrong time for the arrival of a train. A different workman was then sent to warn the approaching train to stop. However, instead of going the 1,000 yards which he was supposed to, he only went 540 yards. The train driver was also not paying careful attention to the signals. Therefore, the train was unable to stop before it reached the work area, crashed, and many people were killed. Whether the Mr. Benge's negligence was superseded by the negligence of the train driver and the signalman, so as to absolve him of responsibility for their deaths. The defendant was found guilty. Mr. Benge was found to have been the substantial and significant cause of the accident. It was therefore irrelevant that the negligence of others had also contributed in some way to the accident occurring.